today I just want to do a quick one. I am actually at my work right now. Streaming after everyone else left except maybe janitors, and my manager's okay with it, so I'm good to go. Let's see. So today I want to do something simple. I just wanted to put Semantic UI into the project. See what that takes. So let's bring this over here. I'll leave that there for just for a little bit. Okay. All right. So, introduction. Here we go. Okay, good. We like declarative APIs. Shorthand and props. This is different from Angular. Don't really know what's going on there. Let's do get started. Looks like they want me to do npm install Semantic UI React. So let's do that. Where am I? Yep, here we are. Let's just see what we got there. Did not add Semantic UI. So, yeah. Now what was it called? Semantic UI React. Theme. Choose a theme and delivery method that suits your need. So npm. Okay, good. Your app's entry file. So to include the theme of Semantic UI, I need to import it into the app's entry file. So there's the import. Let's see if that install's done. No, it is not. That is insane. Crazy. Okay. So after that, bundling. Okay. Oh, cool. Great. So now we can just go to, let's do an interesting one for the first one. Placeholder. Ooh. Actually, let's do breadcrumb. That's a weird thing to start with, but let's do that. Oh, man. I love this documentation. I love this. I love... this looks pretty simple to use. Are we ready yet? Yes, we are. What was the thing? npm start? Hey, here we are. Crazy. Oh no. Could not find a declaration file for React. Did it not add types? Let's look at this package JSON here. It's got it here. I'm gonna have to Google this. You have to be very careful when you're copying from here because it disappears. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Could not find declaration file. Oh. Type roots, are we in there? No. So, looks like something I can just add. I hope. I mean, that's such a weird... Okay, what is that inside? Is that top level? It's gotta be. Where should I put it? I'm gonna put it at the end because I'm adding it. Might as well. Okay. This doesn't exist. That was that guy's thing. I don't think it does. Also, is it really up? No, it's a sibling, so don't be crazy. All right. Why did prettier change it like that? Oh, it's just because React DOM doesn't use prettier. I mean, create React app. Yeah. This is... Where did all the other messages go? Let's ignore that. Are these happy yet? Please. Let me make sure. Do I need an npm install? Did I not do that? Types. Where's types? Here they are. React. Where's React? What's the alphabet? Wow, weird. Does it... I feel like React should just have... I thought React was written in TypeScript. Where's React? Here is... here we go. React.js. Or is... What the... I don't know. Okay, index.js. CJS. Here's this thing again. Nice. I see no TypeScript in here. Right? This is really annoying. This didn't happen last time I was doing this. What changed? Huh. What changed? Maybe this is an old 17. Let's try filtering to the last year and see what happens. This looks better. It's closed. What? Is that true? Okay, I'm just going to try it then. I'm going to install. That's kind of annoying. It doesn't let you see previous errors or anything. npm install save types. Let's save about 5 seconds. It is getting hot, so I am going to take off my coat. worked. All right, let's go see if everybody's happy. It seems like Create React App should have figured that out and put that in as part of, because I installed it as part of TypeScript. It's happy now. Okay. All right. The other error I saw was that let's see, Semantic UI CSS wasn't there. Is that a different package I have to install? Let's see. Just gonna close that one. Don't need to look at whatever that was yet. Get started. Oh, it is a separate thing. Derp. CSS only version? Do they have global styles at all? Maybe they don't. That is different. I'm just going to put in a component and see if it looks crappy. Alright, breadcrumb. Is this how people do this? Is this TypeScript? That'll be one thing I miss, is examples in TypeScript. Maybe it's there somewhere. Okay, where is app? Let's just do app.js now. And do I need this? I'm gonna get rid of that and see if it's still okay. I feel like it should be. Okay. Let's try that now. Wait, did that really? Okay, it updated on its own. That is wild. I think it, yeah, I think it did. Okay, so it turns out if you update tsconfig, it automatically redeploys. So that's amazing. Okay, so app. Why is it still doing this to me? Stop! Well, I'm just gonna pretend that that's not happening. Okay. Yeah, here it is. Let's get rid of that. App.css, huh? This is global stuff. Well, I'll probably get rid of it, but alright, so this is how they do it, huh? Interesting. Well, go away. I don't need you. App header. Is this whole thing a header? Is that what I'm looking at? A header? Doesn't seem like a header to me. Let's put the real content below the header. Breadcrumbs in the example, they were below, right? Well, it was just there. I'm actually going to put it above. Why is this green and that? Because these are custom. Interesting. Section divider, you got a link. What's the link? Active? Is this for styling? Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that is beautiful. I don't think the styles are in there, but yeah, what's going on there? Just a, then divider, and it's got a slash. Oh, that is the divider. Okay. I thought this would be quick, but yep, my CSS is missing. Okay. Darn. I guess it just seems weird that this is. I thought that the styles would be part of the component. Does React not do scoped CSS by default? Like CSS modules, is that not by default how? Oh, maybe it isn't. I think they do just have global styles. Alright, let's get him in and see what happens. Okay, and then go back to here. Not yet. There we go. And it's beautiful now. Okay. Huh. Well, that is a little unfortunate with the scoped CSS. It's been, well, let's see how it's scoped actually. Maybe it is. I don't. Maybe this is why they're always talking about CSS in React, because they don't just take care of it. Yeah, there's like CSS and JS. There's CSS modules, I think. I heard about 2 years ago. Yeah, this style comes from, oh my gosh. It's just like anything with the class breadcrumb is going to be styled by this CSS that I just imported. I mean, most of the time, you're just going to do things the exact same way as the framework. But that's a little weird. What do they say about custom theming? Custom theming guide. Its own build system using Gulp. Wow. I haven't used Gulp for 4 years now, almost 3 years. I haven't used it for 3 years. Okay. So get rid of those. Wow. Then you get to build all your own things. Yep, these are the dev dependencies. And then oh no. Oh, they're both dev dependencies, yeah. Yeah, and then you build your own theme, which then you include because it's a file. Interesting. Theme.config. You know, I prefer this over some of the locked-in themes, like for example, Clarity for a while. It was not possible in the Angular component library. It was not possible to do a custom theme at all. I'd rather have a hook into the low-level build steps so that you can then create custom themes. That's better than not having it, but Clarity has custom themes now, and I would prefer that now. But okay, so that is interesting. All right, let's do a couple more components. And why is this style really on the header? It's so weird that this is the whole page is a header. That's fun to watch. Wow. All right. Yeah. Custom theming. I think I will want to do custom theming. I want to customize a few things. I'm not a professional designer, so I'm not going to be changing fonts. That's just crazy. But I always pictured this as like a dark theme app. Dark theme. Let's see if there's a dark theme. Theming guide. Let's see if they have. Where did? There it went. Okay. Dark. Let's see if they offer. No, they don't. It has to be customized. Dang. I will worry about that next time, I guess. For now, I'm going to put in a couple other components, just see the JavaScript do its work, and have fun with that. It's going to be awesome. Does this actually do anything? No. It's just a CSS component, basically. Alright, what is there that's interesting? I mean, all these are going to be pretty modal. Let's do a modal. Why did I say Well, because oh yeah. Image, huh? Where'd that come from? There we go. Header. This is just a regular component. I read your HTML. So this is getting a little big. Prettier helps a little bit, but this can't be. Trigger is what? You're passing in an element. I learned stuff like this before. I did like a quick tutorial about React a long time ago, but this is, I guess it never sunk in. I feel like I've seen weird things like this before, but where does it put it? It just replaces where the modal was placed in your markup. I bet that's what it does. Escape works, that's good. Because everything went black. And oh my gosh, but look at this. Why can't we just have this? I mean, in Angular, Why does it have to be imperative? I mean, you use a service to open a modal. What the heck? It's a UI element. Well, I guess you get different implementations in different libraries, but every component library I've seen, it is a service and you open it. Why is that? What happens? Where is this modal? I mean, it's put at the app root, isn't it? Okay, you got body, then you've got root. I believe these are siblings. Yeah. And this is like the app. So, yeah. But I don't care where it ends up. I want to put it in my template. This is amazing. I want to do this in Angular. I did make a dialog container that basically does something like this. But the thing is, when I finally publish it to NPM, I have to tell people about it. I have to write a blog post about it. I have to do so much stuff because people don't just automatically want it for some reason. I do not understand why you wouldn't. I mean, this is Angular, right? It's supposed to be declarative. Like, you're supposed to use templates and be declarative, but it just feels like nobody's really asking for declarative things. It's like it keeps regressing. Like, things that people want to do in Angular keeps regressing to imperative-based patterns. But yeah, I already wrote the dialog container component for Angular, so I might as well publish it, and hopefully people like it and use it. I probably do one for each library eventually, but the Angular material one is most common. But this is great. This is great. Alright, let's try another crazy component. Last one. Drop down. What is a drop down? Whoa. Do they have autocomplete? Type search. This is basically, so it's a search component. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, it's way down here. This code is ugly. Here's the thing I need. Let's just try this. Just do some quick stupid thing here. Oh man. This is a different paradigm. This will take some getting used to. Let's try to use hooks though. That's a thing we can do, right? I've never done hooks before. I've never done any of this before. Set, state, or I've never done that. So let's just try to do hooks. If I remember right, this is straight from memory. I don't use state. Ha ha ha. Nice. What do you pass in? Let's call this is loading, and that goes set is loading? Or did you just call it set loading? TypeScript helped me out. Okay, I will Google this real quick. Use state, right? Yes. Really? You just set the default thing in there, huh? I'm going to say false. Or should I say true? No, false. On result select. Okay. When would I set as loading? Oh gosh, this is what I want to use RxJS for. Huh. Debounce. Lodash. Oh, that's cool. So you've got on search change, and you're going to debounce. I'm just going to pretend that RxJS will just work. So I'm going to say no, this won't work because I have to subscribe to it, and then I have to unsubscribe. Let's say RxJS React Hook. I'm pretty sure there's some cool stuff. Let's look at what this dude is doing. Ebenezer Don. That is beautiful. Create React app, RxJS React chat. Oh, that's the name of the project. I should go home soon. Yeah, you know what? Maybe this is a great place. Hey, good. It knows how to. Whoa! It really knows how to comment. That is pretty impressive. We're not using search yet. We're not using any of this crap. But I'm going to have this page saved, and we're going to save this for next time. RxJS with React hooks. It's going to be amazing. Because I don't want to do this. Debounce. Like, this is what RxJS was made for. This kind of asynchronous flow. So, okay. All right. Thank you for watching this episode of Angular Dev Learns React. And have a wonderful time rewatching this again and again because you love it so much. Anyway, see ya.